While Wintrust Financial Corporation is a bank holding company with many community bank subsidiaries in the greater Chicago area and Wisconsin, they do not directly issue their own branded personal credit cards. Instead, Wintrust partners with Elan Financial Services to offer personal and business credit cards. Therefore, the application process will be through Elan, although you might initiate it via Wintrust's website or a local Wintrust community bank. Here's a general guide on how to apply for a credit card offered through Wintrust, issued by Elan, following your 4-step format. Step 1. Review and choose a credit card. Since Wintrust offers various credit card options through Elan, you'll need to explore what's available to find the best fit for your needs. Visit Wintrust's website, navigate to the Personal Credit Cards or Business Credit Cards section of the specific Wintrust community bank you bank with or the main Wintrust Financial Corporation website. Explore the options. You'll likely find descriptions of different card types, such as rewards cards, offering points, miles, or cashback on purchases. Low April cards, focusing on lower interest rates for balances carried over time. Balance transfer cards, providing introductory periods with low or no interest for transferring balances from other cards. Secured cards, designed for individuals with limited or no credit history. Understand the benefits. Carefully review the specific rewards programs, introductory offers, and other perks associated with each card. Check fees and interest rates. Pay attention to annual fees, APRs for purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances, as well as any other potential fees. This information will be crucial in making your decision. Consider your creditworthiness. Elan, like most credit card issuers, will assess your credit history when you apply. Ensure the card you choose aligns with your credit profile. Good to excellent credit is typically required for most rewards cards. Step 2. Gather required information. Before you start the application, gather the necessary information. Personal information, full legal name, date of birth, Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Current residential address and previous address, if applicable. Phone number, email address, financial information, employer name and address, if employed. Your occupation or profession, gross annual income, monthly housing payment, rent or mortgage. Bank account information may be requested. Identification documents. You might need to provide details from your driver's license or other government-issued ID. Step 3. Complete the application. The application process for a Wintrust-affiliated credit card, issued by Elan, will likely be one of the following. Online application. This is the most common method. From the Wintrust website, you'll likely find a link that directs you to Elan's secure online application portal for the specific card you've chosen. In-person application. You can visit a local Wintrust community bank branch and speak with a representative. They may be able to assist you with the application process, potentially online or via a paper form that they will then submit. Phone application. In some cases, you might be able to start the application process over the phone by contacting a Wintrust representative. Regardless of the method, you will need to carefully fill out all the required fields with the information you gathered in Step 2. Step 4. Review and submit. Before submitting your application. Accuracy. Double-check all the information you've entered for any errors or typos. Completeness. Ensure you have filled out all the mandatory fields. Terms and conditions. Carefully read and understand the terms and conditions associated with the credit card, including interest rates, fees, and the cardholder agreement. Submission. Once you are confident that all the information is accurate and complete, submit your online application or hand in your paper application to the bank representative. After submitting, Elan Financial Services, the issuer, will review your application, which includes checking your credit history. You will typically receive a decision by mail or email. If approved, your new credit card will be mailed to your provided address. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on the specific Wintrust credit cards available to you and the exact application process, it is best to visit the website of your local Wintrust community bank or the main Wintrust Financial Corporation website and navigate to their credit card section. You can also inquire directly at a Wintrust branch.